Hey, what's up? I'm Colleen. I'm just a girl who is enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, so welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look, which I created with BH Cosmetics Opalescent Palette. I know it's not like the newest product out there, but it's an oldie and a goodie and a staple, and I love it. I mean, I love opals, so just like look at that, it's beautiful. And I wore like purple today with pink in it, so it like went with my with my makeup. With my shirt, so I get excited when I get to like match my like makeup and shirt and all that, like, and clothing that I'm wearing. I probably do it like more than you're supposed to. Like, you're probably just like naturally match it, and I go for like full on, like, I'm wearing purple, so I have to have purple eyeshadow on. But that's just how I am. I just like love color, and I think it's fun, and it's summer. I want to be summer, you know. It's still August. Do not count the summer over yet, people. Who cares about those fall commercials? Get them off. It is still summer. So we're gonna be bright, we're gonna be cheery, we're gonna be happy. Okay, so I'm going to stop rambling, and I am going to now get into how I created this look. Okay, so I have my primer on and my little shield on. So to start off, I'm just gonna go into the color Stunning from the BH Opalescent Palette. I'm just gonna go in on that with the 514. This is one of those palettes that like I really love, but for some reason always forget that I actually have it. So then I'm like, oh, yeah. But just like most BH Cosmetics products, it's nice, it's pigmented, good color payoff for your money. Like, I think BH Cosmetics is one of the really good lower priced but still not like drugstore brand makeup product companies. So then after that, I'm going to go in with this darker color called Wish, and I'm going to go in with my Sigma E25. I use the Morphe brush that I mentioned before, which I can't remember the name of, even though I use it all the time. I think it's the 514. And the Sigma brush pretty much every day. Those are like my two mainstay brushes. Oh, and then like my two pencil brushes that I have. They just always work the best for me with what I'm doing. Like, I really do need to get another E25. Just want to blend those out a little bit. So for the purple, I went in with my socket area again. I kept it a little lower with the Stunning, which I'm just gonna Stunner. I think I called it a Stunning, but it's actually Stunner. I went a little bit higher on my eye, and with Wish, I'm staying closer to the crease, but still bringing it up a little bit so you can see it, you know, with my eyes, because my eyes are hooded, so you can see it a little. Then I'm just going to take a pencil brush. This one's actually a Morphe 431. And I'm going to go in with the color Star right here. And I'm just going to go in on my brow line. Just so it glistens a little bit. And then I just want to take my blending brush again and just kind of blend it out so they smooth out together. Although this like light's really making it look woo. Okay. So then what I want to do is I'm just going to take my base, which lately, like I've said in my other video, I've been using the P. Louise primer. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand and take a flat like shadow brush that I would say it's not small, but it's not huge. Make it it's medium. I feel like it's a little smaller than a medium. I don't know. And I am just going to put it all over my mobile lid. This is kind of similar to what I did with the pink the other day. Oh, if you hear that like loud noise in all of my videos, it's my air conditioner. I'm sorry. It's loud, but it's really hot, so I need to have it on. I just want to make sure it's kind of like smoothed out and even and everything. So then what I want to do is I'm going to take a flat shadow brush. This is a small flat shadow brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Magic right here. And I'm putting Magic on the outer part of my mobile lid, and then I'm going to put it on the inner part of my mobile lid, leaving the middle open, and I'm going to add a different color in there. This is a really pretty like lighter shimmer color. And I'm sort of rubbing it in, but I'm also kind of packing it on too. And then I'm just going to take a different shadow, flat, small brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Opaline, which is this pretty pink right here. And I am just going to put that down the middle where I did not apply the purple. Sorry, like I probably make like really stupid faces when I'm doing this too. So I'm not used to like videoing myself while I'm doing my makeup, so I'm not always like aware that I probably have my mouth open. So I'm really sorry about that. You see, it's just kind of in the middle right there like that. And then if you want, which I'm going to, I'm just going to take a little bit of Magic again, and I am just going to just smooth it out the sides there. And then, sorry I'm saying so then a lot. I'm just going to take another pencil brush, and I'm going to go back in with Wish. And I am going to go around where I just put the other two colors, the other two like shimmers. And just kind of outlining it right here. And then going back in with my Sigma E25, and I'm gonna go in on the corner, on the outer V right here, and darken it up. And I actually like to go in with my finger a little bit with Magic and kind of just really blend them out together. And then of course go over the blending brush just to kind of smooth it out. And so it looks like that. And then for an extra, I'm saying and then like way too much. I'm gonna go in with oh my god, what brand is this? Oh, Milani's Hypnotic Lights in the color Beaming Light. And I'm just gonna take it on my finger. Well, actually I'm not taking it on my finger. I'm gonna smooth it out with my finger, but I'm literally just gonna put it right kind of on top of Opaline, but I don't want to put like too much on it because I still want the pink to shine through. This is actually pinkish as well, but it's like a lighter pink. And I'm just gonna smooth it out on my eyes. And then because I want Opaline still to come through a little bit, I'm gonna take a tiny bit on my finger and blend it in with the shiny stuff, the Hypnotic Lights shadow, liquid shadow. And then I did go a little bit up here, so I'm just going to take my E25 and just kind of brush that out a little bit. So I don't want it to like fully, go up. I don't want the like shimmer the liquid shadow to go too far up onto my other lid. Right, and so that's pretty much it. That is really shiny. So I'm just going to go off and I'm going to finish my eyes, like putting my mascara on and my liner on, and I'm going to do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and we'll do my lower lash line and my waterline and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so I'm back and I have this side completely done, and I'm going to do this side now. So to start off, I'm just going to take my gel liner from Urban Decay in the color Mainline, and I am going to go under my waterline. The reason I don't do my eyeliner, you know, the one on my lid on camera, is because I have a hard time doing it one-handed, and because when I'm videoing I use this, you know, smaller mirror and I have to hold it. It's harder for me to do it, so I don't. But if you're looking for like a great video on how to do eyeliner, I highly suggest Stephanie Lang does a great video. I'll link it below, about eyeliners and how to do them. She's fantastic. If you're really looking for like someone who you want to learn technique from, watch her, and also watch Wayne Goss. He's the other one who's really great. They'll really teach you about technique and everything. So now that I've got my liner on, I'm going to go in with the color Sequin, which is this brown right here, and I'm just going to take a mini round brush from Luxie, and I am going to go under my waterline, or lower lashes actually. I thought about going under this like with the purple or a pink, but I thought that kind of just would have been a lot, so I didn't. Then for like a really nice pop of color in my inner corners, I'm going to use this color called Inward Melodies from the indie brand BH Cosmetics. They're really great. It's a one-woman company and it's just fantastic. They have great quality stuff, lots of loose pigments. They work really well. It's just great. I'll link that below too. I think it's really awesome. I'm planning on doing a video where I talk about all the brands. Sorry, there's like a hair stuck to my, I can't find it. Where I talk about all like the indie brands where I get like some of my loose pigments from and everything like that, and just kind of highlighting which ones are my favorite, and also like doing a whole look using just loose pigments, because I know sometimes they can be like a little hard to work with, but yeah, I figure I'll do that. So anyway, I'm just going to take this color, which is like a really beautiful pink with like a white and green color shift. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to take one of my pencil brushes and I'm just going to dip it in there, and a little bit goes a long way with these, and I always get so nervous that I'm going to spill them, and I'm just going to pop it into my inner corner just like so. It's just like very, I don't know if you can see it on the side, it's just really iridescent and really sparkly and very pretty. Then I just want to follow up with some mascara. This is, I believe I got this as a sample from when I bought something at Sephora. It's Pretty Vulgar's Faux Reals eyeliner. I actually really like it. I just started using it. Yeah. And I'm just gonna go on my lower lashes. I'm not very good, I won't lie, about sticking mascara on my lower lashes. It like never comes out nice. I always get nervous that I'm gonna poke myself in the eye or like get it all over my face. I'm just gonna reapply some mascara to my lashes as well. I've mentioned this before, but I don't think I've mentioned it on this channel. I don't really use false lashes too much because my eyes are very sensitive as it is, and lash glue is one of the things that really irritates it. Like the second I put it on, my eyes just like go crazy. I have tried the what company is it? Not Moxie, it's Lash Liner or Moxie Lash, one of them. I have it in my drawer, I could just look. but I've tried they have magnetic eyeliner and it works pretty good, but lashes sometimes in general I think bother my eyes. Like I can feel them on, so I have lash envy because I think like the false lashes on eyes are just like gorgeous, but I don't use them a lot. So if you really like those kind of lashes, you're really not going to see that too much with me because I can't. I mean, I don't think my lashes are horrible, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, so this is the whole look. I'm just gonna pop some lipstick on. I'm gonna use this color from ColourPop called Schnookums. I actually got this when I ordered their like birthday party thing, and this came with it, and they're like, sorry we're late, which I thought was weird because like I didn't think they were really like late with my package, but I like this. I really like the formula on this. It's matte, but it's not drying. I actually have lip gloss on, I forgot. Underneath it. Yeah, it's not drying and it's really smooth, and I mean this lasts. This look I actually recreated. I actually wore this to work today, and I kind of like matches my shirt, so that's kind of why I did it. But so yeah, I recreated it. So okay, so this is the whole look done. I again will take pictures and post it so you can see it better. The thing I did besides my eyeshadow was I used Pacifica's All Light Multi-Mineral BB Cream, BH Cosmetics Golden Sand Bronzer, and Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Highlighter Kit. I don't know if you can see it too much in the light, in the color, I think Ethereal is the purple one. I love that compact. I know it's sparkly, but I love sparkles. So I don't think, you know, you can, I mean, you can over sparkle, but you know, I don't mind being a little like extra. So yeah, so this is the whole look. I was really happy with it. I'm sure it's not like original or anything, but it goes with my outfit, and I like to match my eyeshadow and stuff with my outfit. I know that's probably like not what the cool kids do, but that's what I do. That's how I am. Like I just, you know, I love color. So yeah, but this is the whole look done. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you found the video sort of helpful. Yeah, I guess that's it. And so I hope you guys have a great night. If you liked this video, please subscribe and come back, and I will see you soon. Bye.